What do we have? All right, folks. Number one.
Culture is a way of life.
Way of life. That's the easiest definition we can use. Yeah, it's a good one. It's loaded because way of life equals language, fashion, culture.
It's I've put it's a way of life involving beliefs which different groups of people live by or follow.
Yes. Well done. Outline key points of the cultural context of childhood. Who am I going to pick on? No, I'm not going to pick on anyone. Volunteers. Number two. Welcome. Number two.
The society they live in.
Number two.
Okay.
Social media.
Do you want to expand?
No.
What about the cultural markers like nationality, region, language, ethnicity?
Yep.
Values and attitudes.
Values and attitudes. Well done, Elisa. Yes. Affluence. Oh, well, we do. Yeah. Number three. What key cultural aspects have a major influence on children in childhood currently?
Cultural aspects.
Yep. What? Yep. Cultural aspects.
Yeah. Education.
Yes.
Cultural.
Yeah, you can argue that education is a way of life, isn't it? It defines. But culture is. Education reflects culture, so it can be part of your culture. It's too broad a term. It depends on who you read. Some people will include education systems as part of people's cultures. Like what else do we have?
NHS.
Ah, okay. What about it?
It provides like what did I say? Therapy, counselling,
Impacts on the health.
like diagnoses, support.
So in what ways
So
the
we-
NHS?
So in
culture,
England,
yeah.
that our culture,
Yeah.
if anything, we take advantage of. We are, what's it called when you're always poorly and you always got something wrong with you? I think we are demics because we just take advantage of, oh, it's free, I'll just quickly go to the doctor's. Whereas other places around the world who aren't as fortunate to have
Yeah.
the NHS would make do with what,
Yeah, especially if you're going to have to pay every time you go to.
exactly,
Yeah. You have a lot of that in the US, don't you? People.
My auntie and uncle live in America, and my auntie has a really rare condition where a brain attaches onto her onto her spine,
Yeah.
and my uncle's insurance, it cost £500,000 for the operation.
So do you think the NHS is going to be affected by Brexit?
Yes.
Is it going to go?
I don't think it'll happen overnight. I think it'll be a gradual thing where we might
Privatise everyone
stop
everything.
having.
Can you imagine life without?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna always probably.
So maybe that's why people need to make the most of it now. Okay. Have you considered things like language, food, dress? The main cultural issues or aspects. Child rearing practices or parenting practices. Okay, right. Cosmopolitanism, what is it? What did you say it is?
I've based it on nutrition. I've done it as social intercourse, exchange nutritional facts and informative handouts on basic necessary nutrition for children. basically give to receive. So when other countries do research on one, like prospect of nutrition, they share it with what's it called? EU. What's it called?
EU national.
Yeah.
Okay. And right. So, are you able to link cosmopolitanism to your current issue? Not sure. You have to go and think about it. Not now. Okay, right.